Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Dream Living Quest. Today, we're delving deep into a topic that affects many of us: blood sugar levels. Buckle up, because we've got a lot to cover in this 5-minute journey. Let's dive in. Subscribe our channel to watch important videos like this daily.
1. Understanding blood sugar.
So, what exactly is blood sugar? Blood sugar, or glucose, is like fuel for our bodies. It comes from the food we eat and gives us the energy we need to do everything. From being active to thinking, think of blood sugar as the fuel your body needs to function smoothly. Understanding this comparison helps us make choices that keep our energy levels steady and our bodies healthy.
2. The impact of diet.
Have you ever wondered why your energy levels fluctuate throughout the day? It's all connected to our blood sugar, which is like the fuel for our bodies. By understanding the foods that affect it, we can make choices that keep us energized and feeling great. Join me on this journey to explore the secrets of a balanced diet for stable blood sugar and overall well-being.
3. Exercise and blood sugar.
Did you know that regular physical activity can positively affect blood sugar control by increasing insulin sensitivity? Exercise helps muscles respond more efficiently to insulin signals, aiding in the absorption of glucose from the bloodstream. This process occurs during both aerobic and resistance training, providing immediate and long-term benefits. Exercise also contributes to weight management and overall cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of complications associated with diabetes.
4. Hydration and healthy habits.
Keeping well hydrated is essential for more than just satisfying your thirst. Well hydrated actively helps your kidneys do their job. Your kidneys act as filters, removing waste and excess sugar from your bloodstream. Therefore, when you drink enough water, you're giving your kidneys the support they need to efficiently eliminate unwanted substances, promoting overall health.
5. Mindful eating and sleep.
Ever tried mindful eating? It's a game changer in how we consume our meals, emphasizing full attention to the sensory experience and awareness of hunger cues. This approach enhances our relationship with food, promoting healthier choices. Also, quality sleep is crucial for blood sugar regulation. Consistent, restful sleep optimizes body function, contributing to better blood sugar control. Prioritizing both mindful eating and quality sleep significantly impacts overall well-being.
6. Monitoring and regular checkups.
How does possessing knowledge empower individuals in effectively managing their health? Regularly monitoring your blood sugar levels is crucial, and there are various ways to do it, either through at-home tests or regular checkups with healthcare professionals. By staying informed about your blood sugar levels, you empower yourself to make informed decisions about your lifestyle, diet, and overall well-being. It's a proactive approach that enables you to take charge of your health and work towards maintaining stable blood sugar levels for better long-term health outcomes. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of blood sugar levels and how we can take charge of our health. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more health tips on Dream Living Quest. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.